Yo, what's up everybody? It's Pola_1J back again with another video. I hope you're all doing fantastic and ready to dive into some more awesome content. If you're new here, welcome to the family. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome back, my shortcut ninjas. You know how we do it here, always bringing you the best tips and tricks to make your digital life easier and more efficient. In our last episode, we dove into the world of keyboard shortcuts, those little key combos that can seriously level up your productivity game. We covered everything from basic shortcuts that everyone should know to some advanced tricks that can save you tons of time. If you missed it, make sure to check it out after this video. Trust me, you don't want to miss those tips. And let me tell you, the response was amazing. You guys loved it. The comments, the likes, the shares, it was overwhelming. I read every single one of your messages, and it was clear that you all found the tips super helpful. Some of you even shared your own shortcuts, which was awesome to see. Keep that feedback coming. It helps me know what you want to see more of. So, we're dropping a highly requested part 2, bringing you 10 more must-know shortcuts that are going to change the way you use your computer. These aren't just any shortcuts, these are the ones that can make a real difference in your daily tasks. Whether you're editing documents, browsing the web, or managing files, these tips will help you do it faster and more efficiently. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who spends way too much time on the internet, like me, these shortcuts are about to become your new best friends. Imagine cutting down the time you spend on repetitive tasks and having more time for the things you love. That's what these shortcuts can do for you. So grab your notepad, get comfortable, and let's get started on this journey to becoming a keyboard shortcut master. Alright, let's kick things off with a scenario we've all experienced. You're knee-deep in research, browsing through a dozen tabs, and then bam! You accidentally closed the wrong one. Don't panic, because Ctrl plus Shift plus T is your new superpower. This magic combo instantly brings back your recently closed tab, saving you from the depths of browser history despair. It's like a time machine, but for tabs. Trust me, this shortcut alone will save you countless hours of frustration. Ever have a million windows open and it feels like you're drowning in a sea of chaos? You need to access something on your desktop, but it's buried under layers of open applications and documents. It's like trying to find your keys in a black hole. You know it's there, but good luck finding it quickly. But fear not, because Windows plus D is here to save the day. This simple yet powerful shortcut is a game changer. With just a quick press of Windows plus D, all your open windows instantly minimize, giving you a clear, unobstructed view of your desktop. Need to grab a file, launch a program, or maybe you just want to admire your wallpaper for a moment. With Windows plus D, it's all just a keystroke away. No more digging through layers of open windows. And when you're ready to dive back into your work, simply hit Windows plus D again. All your windows will be restored exactly as they were. It's like a magic trick for your desktop. One moment, everything's hidden, and the next it's all back in place. Show it to your friends and colleagues, and watch their faces light up with amazement. It's a small trick, but it makes a big difference. In a busy office environment, this shortcut can be a lifesaver. It helps you stay organized and efficient, even when things get hectic. At home, it can help you quickly switch between work and personal tasks, making your computer time more productive and less stressful. So next time you feel overwhelmed by open windows, remember Windows plus D. It's your quick escape to a clutter-free desktop. Try it out and see how much easier it makes your digital life. Windows plus D, your desktop, on demand. For all you multitaskers out there, this one's for you. Alt plus Tab is the ultimate shortcut for switching between open applications with lightning speed. Hold down Alt, tap Tab to cycle through your windows, and release when you've found your target. It's like a dance between your open apps and you're the choreographer. This shortcut is a game changer for productivity, letting you seamlessly jump between tasks without breaking a sweat. We've all been there. You're in the zone, working on an important project, and suddenly your computer freezes. That one program decides to throw a tantrum and refuses to cooperate. Before you reach for the power button, try Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. This shortcut summons the Task Manager, your weapon against unresponsive programs. From here, you can force quit the offending application, freeing up your system resources and restoring order to your digital world. Stepping away from your computer? Whether you're grabbing a coffee or heading to a meeting, it's always a good idea to lock your screen. But who wants to go through the whole start menu song and dance? Windows plus L is your shortcut to instant privacy. One keystroke and your computer is locked down, protecting your work and personal information from prying eyes. It's a simple habit that can save you from potential headaches down the road. Need to select a whole document? A massive folder of files? Ctrl plus A is your new best friend. This shortcut instantly selects everything within the current window or document. It's like a digital lasso, rounding up all your data with a single keystroke. Whether you're copying, moving, or deleting, Ctrl plus A streamlines the process, saving you precious time and effort. Okay, this one might seem obvious, but no shortcut list would be complete without the legendary Ctrl plus C. This simple yet powerful combination of keys has revolutionized the way we interact with our computers. Imagine having to manually retype every piece of text you wanted to duplicate. Tedious, right? Ctrl plus C has saved us countless hours by allowing us to quickly copy text, images, and even files with just a few keystrokes. And let's not forget its trusty sidekick, Ctrl plus V. These two are the bread and butter of digital life, allowing you to copy and paste text, images, files, and more. With Ctrl plus V you can effortlessly paste whatever you've copied into your desired location. It's like having a digital clipboard that you can access anytime, anywhere. You name it, Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V can handle it. They're the ultimate time savers, eliminating the need for tedious manual copying and pasting. So whether you're a student working on a research paper, a professional crafting an email, or just someone who loves to organize their digital life, these shortcuts are indispensable. Imagine you're a student, and you need to gather information from various sources for your assignment. Instead of retyping everything, you can simply use Ctrl plus C to copy the text, and Ctrl plus V to paste it into your document. It's that easy. Or perhaps you're a professional who needs to compile data from different reports. These shortcuts make your job a breeze. Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V are your constant companions. They streamline your workflow, boost your productivity, and make your digital tasks more manageable. So next time you use these shortcuts, take a moment to appreciate the convenience they bring to your digital life. Navigating through files and folders is a fundamental part of using a computer, but clicking through multiple windows can be a real drag. That's where Windows plus E comes in. This shortcut instantly opens File Explorer, giving you a comprehensive view of your computer's file system. From here you can browse your drives, create new folders, and manage your files with ease. It's like having a digital map to your computer's contents. We all make mistakes, especially when it comes to using computers, but fear not, because Ctrl plus Z is here to save the day. This magical shortcut undoes your last action, whether it's deleting a paragraph, formatting a document, or even moving a file. It's like a rewind button for your computer, giving you a second chance to correct those accidental clicks and typos. Trust me, Ctrl plus Z will become your new best friend. Finally, we have Alt plus F4, the shortcut for gracefully closing applications. This one's a classic. Whether you're done with a program or just need to close a stubborn window, Alt plus F4 gets the job done quickly and efficiently. No need to hunt for the tiny X button, just hit those keys and you're good to go. It's a simple but effective way to keep your desktop clean and organized. So there you have it, 10 more keyboard shortcuts that are guaranteed to boost your productivity and make you a true keyboard warrior. Remember, mastering these shortcuts takes practice, but the payoff is well worth it. Filenhai LTNCW, LXW Usturk, Lisolkem, KLM Hiu GDWW Dachel Dik My Twitter at Alfidi Wakiam UI Sil Dakar Li Filet Lik WW